All right, guys, we got a new jam here to try, Hydropower. And what better place to try Hydropower than at a Hard Enduro? So they recommend 1 scoop, 16 ounces of water per half hour of activity. Wow, that actually tastes 100 times better than Rhino Power, which is the only really other supplement, hydration supplement I've drank. It's got like a lemonade taste to it. I have no idea what it's doing for me, but it tastes good. Provides immediate and long-lasting energy, eliminates muscle cramping, delays fatigue, increases stamina, increases mental clarity. You definitely need that.
No stomach distress.
No stomach distress. Mason, that's all you. 150 milligrams of electrolytes per serving.
850.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah.
2-to-1 glucose to fructose mixture and 39 G of carbs per serve. All right, guys, back at the camper. Just cooked out, had some burgers, and trying to recuperate a little bit because we walked a lot today. Man, some of those climbs, some of those bottlenecks were super intense. My first day at a Hard Enduro did not disappoint. I got the sweet Sherco truck. That's sweet, isn't it? Oh, yeah, everybody here was so friendly. Huge thanks to everybody at Elevated Action Sports and with the US Hard Enduro Series, the IRC guys. Everybody here is super cool, and I had a blast. Cannot wait. Some of the lines that we scoped out in the woods that they're gonna run tomorrow, you know, for the pro day, looked absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna bring you guys all that footage. I've got tons of TikTok clips, tons of YouTube footage to show you guys. I don't even know how I'm gonna break it all up or stitch it all together, but there's gonna be so much. I got shots of guys blowing up bikes and overheating and flipping up hills and flipping down hills, and I had one guy freak out on me and tell me to get the camera out of his effing face after his bike failed on him. So just, I don't know, it's just been a blast, and we've just been camping and chilling out, and it's a great time. So just gonna take it easy the rest of the evening, hang out with everybody here at the track, try to rest up so we can put in the miles again tomorrow and show you guys as many obstacles as possible. I appreciate all of y'all. See you in the next video.